Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amalia Fauja Ulmi. In this occasion, I will to share you about innovation of teaching pronunciation. Okay, this innovation I using pop sound technique. Before I talk about pop sound, I will to tell you about pronunciation. What is a pronunciation? Pronunciation is the way a word or language is spoken. In addition, the pronunciation includes articulation, emphasis, and also intonation. Pronunciation includes language feature, vocabulary, and grammar, as well as skill speaking and listening. When we find a new vocabulary, it will be better if we know the correct way of pronunciation. Okay, the importance of teaching pronunciation. The importance of teaching pronunciation is to help students to avoid miscommunication or misunderstanding in interpreting a word, because pronunciation in English will be easily misunderstood if we mispronounce words. Okay, how to teaching pronunciation exactly? If we want to pronounce exactly, there are 5 elements of pronunciation material that need to master. The 5 as follow: vowel, consonant, pop sound, final sound, syllable, and stress. Okay, know more about pop sound technique. What is pop sound? It's easier to be a bunching sound or the last letter spoken, but the letter is reflex. But keep in mind, not all letters can be pop sound right. There are only a few letters. If students are a beginner, to recommend reading the pronunciation vowel and consonant sound material first. In total, there are each pop sound letter or sound bunching on the consonant sound to make it easier to recognize. If you are a Muslim, the sound is like qalqalah. Okay, the 8 pop sound letter. They are p, k, t, ch, and b, g, d, j. P. Example: cap, cap. G. Lick, wig. D. Coat, sit. J. Watch, couch. B. Cap. J. Watch, watch, couch. Okay. The benefit this technique or technique pop sound. Number 1, beautifying letter pronunciation and intonation, and able to distinguish letters that are almost the same pronunciation. Example: thing, sit, shit. Okay guys, thank you very much for your attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.